So, there you go. Until light brown. Add the pork. Voilà. So braise pork till the fat are render. So after braising, you need to saute the garlic and onion. So keep stirring while you're braising to avoid get burned in the bottom. So it's already brown. So we set aside. So we use red onion, just one piece, peel it, and then after peeling, need to chop or slice into small cubes. First, garlic in. Saute the garlic until light brown. Add the pork. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, stir it, so I'm going to add pop or Mountain Dew. Add bay leaf, just 2 leaf, whole black pepper, or peppercorn, stir it gently. Put the lid on, simmer for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, stir it gently. So now our pork tumba is almost ready. So add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir it. Vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar, but if you don't have, you can use the regular or whatever you have in the kitchen. It's around 2 tablespoons. Cover. Let the vinegar cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. Slice coconut